Excel University really taught me the tools I needed. Now we have a much better process, and it has made me so confident in my Excel skills. My name is Levenson, and I live in the Denver area. I work as a financial analyst for the E470 Public Highway Authority, which is a government nonprofit in the transportation industry. I just completed the Excel University Masters 1 and 2 courses. I am not a paid actor. In my job, I had faced many routine manual tasks associated with our processes. They were time-consuming and repetitive, and I was always looking for ways to make them more efficient. I've found ways to make our processes a lot more efficient and quicker. I've automated many of them, and a couple examples include operational reporting, our billing and invoices that we create each month, and various accounting reconciliations. But the one that I would highlight most is our annual budget process. Now I have a way for users to put in their budget information, and as long as they hit save, I can hit refresh and everything flows right through a lot quicker. Excel University had a great format of videos and lectures that I learned, and then it had case scenarios and examples where I could actually practice everything. So I made sure to watch the videos and then do it myself, and I really learn by doing, so this was a really effective way for me to learn these tools. And I would also mention that Jeff, the instructor, is very engaging and has a great way of getting to the point with everything, explaining it quickly and effectively. I would say one example is operational reporting. We have these operational metrics that we look at each month, and in order to make this big dashboard report that I do, I have data from various sources. And when I get that data, it's raw data, it's not very clean. I have to format it, I have to manipulate it to really show what I want. And so now, instead of doing that formatting, that manipulation each time, I did it once and I made it in the form of a query. And now each month when we have new data available, I simply hit refresh and it performs all those steps for me and extracts just what I need in that clean final report. So this is something I didn't even know was possible in Excel. I would recommend it for any accounting and finance professionals that have routine manual tasks they do each week or each month or quarter. And I would say that this is a way to learn an amazing tool that helps you automate those tasks and will help you save time and can help you make your processes very efficient.